Almost everyone drinks turmeric the wrong way, wasting nearly all its most powerful health benefits without realizing it. Turmeric has been treasured for centuries, but its real power comes from one remarkable natural compound called curcumin. Curcumin supports healthy inflammation, protects cells from oxidative stress, and helps your body defend itself every single day. Sounds incredible, right? Unfortunately, your body absorbs only a tiny fraction of curcumin when consumed by itself. That means most people unknowingly miss the majority of turmeric's potential benefits, despite drinking it regularly for years. Fortunately, one simple kitchen ingredient changes everything, and you probably already have it sitting at home today. Freshly ground black pepper contains piperine, a natural compound that dramatically improves curcumin absorption inside your digestive system. This isn't an old myth or wellness trend. Scientists have studied this remarkable combination for decades with impressive results. Research suggests piperine may increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000% under certain experimental conditions. That single pinch of black pepper can transform turmeric from an ordinary spice into something significantly more bioavailable. The secret isn't using more turmeric. It's helping your body absorb far more of what you're already drinking. Now the recipe becomes surprisingly simple, requiring only hot water, turmeric, and freshly ground black pepper. As the ingredients blend together, the rich golden color signals the beginning of a warm, comforting wellness drink. Many people enjoy turmeric tea as part of a healthy lifestyle supporting joints, brain health, and normal metabolism. Its earthy flavor surprises many first-time drinkers, becoming smoother and more enjoyable after only a few comforting sips. If you prefer a softer taste, add honey or coconut milk, but never skip the freshly ground black pepper. Remember this simple pairing because turmeric works best when curcumin and piperine are working together, not separately. Try this simple recipe tomorrow morning and experience why turmeric with black pepper has remained a timeless wellness tradition.